In KwaZulu-Natal, I was briefed on how construction mafia activity had resurfaced and how violent these disruptions had become. At the Umkomazi Water Project, an altercation linked, a matter linked to the construction mafia had resulted in the deaths of 3 people and the assault of another person. That for me was a defining moment and a wake-up call. It confirmed that this was not just about procurement inconvenience, it was not just a community protest, and it was not a labor dispute. It was organized criminality, and it required an organized national response. Are not captured by gatekeepers or criminals, politically connected groups, or mafia networks. Since the signing of the Durban Declaration, there has been measurable progress. There have been more than 770 cases of construction-related extortion and intimidation that were reported across the country. Of those, 241 arrests were made, and importantly, 176 people were convicted. In KwaZulu-Natal, which was historically regarded as the hotspot of this activity, monthly site disruptions have dropped from more than 60 incidents per month to fewer than 10 per month. That is a significant improvement. It shows what can happen when government, law enforcement, public entities, and the private sector work together. It shows what can happen when contractors report cases and the state responds, and it shows what happens when criminals begin to understand that construction sites are no longer spaces where they can act without consequence.